Hello everyone, this is DM2059. It is a 1999 Toyota Aristo V300. This car is being sold through our direct from Japan inventory. So the only thing we've done is change the oil in the filter and probably put a battery in it. And that's about it. This is how it came from Japan. So we've cleaned it, but other than that, it is what it is. It allows you to get it for a little bit less money. So that's nice. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to message us directly at drivermotorsports@gmail.com. Or if you'd like, you can leave a comment below if you have a quick question or something like that. But I'm just gonna walk around, show this thing off to you, and enjoy the video. This is a V300 Vertex edition. So it has the cooler interior, has the darker wood grain and the two-tone cloth seats. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk and the hood while I'm here. Has some tint in the back too. Cup holders. Rear air vents. Next we'll go around and check out the trunk, or not the trunk, the other side, then we'll come back to the trunk. Looks like crap with the sun glaring. I apologize for that. Next, we'll check out the trunk. We have a jack, some jack tools down there. On this side, we have a module of some sort. The sound probably, it says JBL. And then no rear spare tire. Rear spare tire. Yeah, anywho, we'll check out the engine bay next. You can see the paint is not in great condition on the roof there or the hood. JZS161 GTE VVTi. You can see the tops of the Cusco Coilovers there. But yeah, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, definitely let us know. We'd be happy to send you pictures or video again. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.